Hello and welcome to another episode of CUET Current Affairs. Let's begin. In which year did Pioneer 11 make its closest approach to Saturn? 1973, 1974, 1979, 1985. The correct answer is option C, 1979. Pioneer 11 made its closest approach to Saturn on September 1, 1979, passing within 20,900 km of the planet. Next, where was the long-snouted vine snake rediscovered recently? Sundarbans National Park, Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Jim Corbett National Park or Gir National Park? The correct answer is option B, Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. The long-snouted vine snake was rediscovered in the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve in Lakhimpur Kheri, Uttar Pradesh, marking its first documented sighting in the state. Next, what is India's rank in the global index measuring readiness for frontier technologies as per the 2025 Technology and Innovation Report by UNCTAD? 48th, 36th, 99th or 70th? The correct answer is option B, 36. According to the UNCTAD's 2025 Technology and Innovation Report, India ranks 36th in the Readiness for Frontier Technologies Index, improving its position from 48th in 2022. Next, which award was given to PM Modi by Sri Lankan President Anura Kumar Dissanayake? Padma Vibhushan, Sri Lanka Mitra Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna or Gandhi Peace Prize? The correct answer is option B, Sri Lanka Mitra Vibhushan. PM Modi was awarded the Sri Lanka Mitra Vibhushan, which is Sri Lanka's highest civilian honor, by Sri Lankan President Anura Kumar Dissanayake. Next, what is the name of the newly discovered species of land snail from the Konkan region of Maharashtra? Theobaldius konkanensis, Theobaldius maharashtriensis, Cyclophorus konkanensis or Konkalendis snail? The correct answer is option A, Theobaldius konkanensis. A team of researchers from India and the UK discovered a new species of land snail from the Konkan region of Maharashtra and named it Theobaldius konkanensis. Next, where was Kazakhstan's largest rare earth deposit uncovered? Zana, Kazakhstan, Irgiz region, Kurkitikol site or Karaganda city? The correct answer is option C, Kurkitikol site. Kazakhstan uncovered its largest rare earth deposit of date in the Kurkitikol site located in the Karaganda region. Next, which prestigious international award did Indian sand artist Sudarshan Patnaik win at Sand World 2025? Golden Sand Artist Award, Fred Darrington British Sand Master Award, International Sand Sculpture Award or Sand Art Excellence Award? The correct answer is option B, Fred Darrington British Sand Master Award. Sudarshan Patnaik was awarded the Fred Darrington British Sand Master Award at Sand World 2025 for his contributions to the art form. Next, what is the length of the new Pamban Bridge? 2.07 kilometers, 3.5 kilometers, 1.5 kilometers or 5 kilometers? The correct answer is option A, 2.07 kilometers. The new Pamban Bridge spans 2.07 kilometers and connects Rameshwaram Island with Mandapam on the mainland. Next, which snake was recently rediscovered in the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Uttar Pradesh? King cobra, long-snouted vine snake, reticulated python or green anaconda? The correct answer is option B, long-snouted vine snake. The long-snouted vine snake was rediscovered in the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, marking its first documented sighting in Uttar Pradesh. Next, what is the estimated lifespan of the Chenab railway bridge with regular maintenance? 50 years, 75 years, 100 years or 120 years? The correct answer is option D, 120 years. The Chenab railway bridge is estimated to last 120 years with regular maintenance. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the minimum duration for which symptoms of dysthymia must persist for a diagnosis in adults? 1 year, 2 years, 6 months or 5 years? Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.